you ever wanted to visit a city where the streets are made of water and boats glide past ancient buildings that shimmer in the sun? Well, you can with your imagination. I'm Danny Clark, and this is Minute to Meditate, a podcast where we take a deep breath, explore incredible UNESCO World Heritage Sites, and find a little peace along the way. Today, we're traveling to Venice, Italy, a magical city built on more than 100 little islands floating in a shimmering lagoon. There are no cars or roads here, only narrow alleys, arched bridges, and peaceful canals where gondolas drift like swans through the water. And be sure to stay with us after the meditation for a few fun facts about Venice and its lagoons.
Welcome, explorers. Are you ready to visit a place where the streets shine, the buildings sing with color, and every turn feels like a step back in time? Let's find a comfy spot to sit or lie down. Wiggle your toes like little boats rocking in the water. Reach your arms wide like gondolas stretching across the canal. And gently close your eyes. Let's take a deep breath in and gently let it out. Let your body grow soft and still, like the gentle waves lapping at the edge of the lagoon. Now, let your imagination carry you far away to a city of bridges and bells, boats and beauty. This is Venice. Imagine yourself arriving in Venice on a small ferry. The boat slows as it enters the lagoon. All around you, soft light dances on the water. The buildings ahead are tall and colorful. You see reds, golds, soft oranges, and pinks lined up like a painting. You step onto a dock made of stone. You hear footsteps echo across bridges and the soft, musical splash of gondolas passing by. The air smells like the sea with a hint of fresh bread and flowers from tiny window gardens. A bell rings in the distance, and pigeons flutter overhead, landing on the edge of a fountain. You begin to walk along a narrow stone path. To your left, a canal glistens in the sun. And to your right, buildings rise with wooden shutters, arched windows, and iron balconies. You cross a tiny bridge. Its steps are smooth from hundreds of years of travelers. Below, a gondola slides quietly beneath you, and the gondoliers humming a soft tune. The sounds of Venice float all around you. Water against stone, footsteps, soft laughter from a window above. You feel safe. You feel calm. And you feel like you're walking through a dream. You enter a wide square open to the sky. Birds flutter near a beautiful church with tall domes and sparkling mosaics. The walls are covered in tiny pieces of colored glass, catching the sunlight and turning it into magic. You find a quiet corner to sit. The stone beneath you is warm, and a breeze moves gently past. Somewhere nearby, music plays softly, maybe a violin, maybe a song from long ago. Let's take a deep breath in and gently let it out. Feel your feet resting on the warm stones and feel the peace of this place wrapping around you like a soft blanket. Now imagine stepping onto a small boat again. Just you and the soft waters of the lagoon. The city drifts behind you as you sail out into the open lagoon. You pass tiny islands with old churches and quiet gardens. The water shimmers beneath you, and the sky stretches wide above. Everything is quiet. Everything is still. Take one more breath in and slowly let it out. You are floating, calm and light, held by the rhythm of the water and the beauty of the city. Now it's time to return home, but the sound of the boat fade, but the colors of the city drift into the distance. Wiggle your fingers like ripples in the water. Roll your shoulders like sails catching the wind. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. You did it. You just explored Venice with nothing but your breath and your imagination. And whenever you need a little beauty or calm, this floating city will be here waiting for you.
Well, that concludes our mindful journey for today. But before we go, here are some other interesting facts about Venice and its lagoons. Venice is more than 1,500 years old. That's 1,500 years. It was built on wooden stilts, driven deep into the ground to hold up the buildings, and it still floats on water to this very day. There are no cars or trucks in Venice. People walk or travel by boat along canals just like they have for centuries. The city is made up of 118 islands, all connected by more than 400 bridges. Can you imagine crossing that many bridges in one day? Venice's lagoon is a mix of land and sea full of tiny islands, sandbars, and winding water paths. It's home to all kinds of birds, fish, and plants that make it one of the most unique places in the world. That's why Venice and its lagoons are protected as a UNESCO World Heritage Site to help make sure this magical floating city stays safe for the future. Thanks again for traveling with us today. We'll see you next time.